Introducing the Infinix Note 35G. Experience cutting-edge technology with a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 580 nits peak brightness. The MediaTek Dimensity 6080 chipset and up to 16 GB of extended RAM ensure blazing fast 5G connectivity and efficient performance, while the 256 GB storage, expandable up to 2 TB, provides ample space for all your needs. Capture life's moments with a 108 MP triple camera system and record in high definition with 1440p video capabilities. Enjoy an immersive audio experience with dual speakers tuned by JBL and 24-bit 192 kHz high-res audio. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor ensures security, and the 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging keeps you powered throughout the day. Available in Magic Black, Interstellar Blue, and Sunset Gold, the Infinix Note 35G is a masterpiece of design and functionality, splash-proof with IP53 certification. The Infinix Note 35G, where aesthetics and performance meet, crafted for the future.